In the Scaled Agile framework, work in process, or WIP, is a concept rooted in lean and agile principles, essential for managing how work progresses across agile release trains and teams. WIP refers to any work item that has been started but is not yet completed, such as features, stories, or tasks that the team is actively working on at any given time. In SAFe, limiting WIP is crucial because it ensures that the flow of work remains steady, focused, and efficient. Without managing WIP, teams can easily become overburdened with tasks, leading to inefficiencies, poor quality, and delayed deliveries. By understanding WIP limits and actively managing them, SAFe teams can better prioritize their efforts, reduce bottlenecks, and enhance the predictability and quality of their deliveries. Understanding WIP in SAFe. In SAFe, WIP limits are constraints set on the amount of work that can be actively handled by a team or an agile release train at any time. When teams operate without WIP limits, they often face issues related to task switching, where team members are forced to juggle multiple tasks, reducing their focus and productivity. Multitasking, or having too many in-progress tasks, can increase cycle time, the total time required to complete a task from start to finish. This results in inefficiencies, as team members spend valuable time shifting focus rather than finishing work. SAFe promotes the concept of stop starting, start finishing to help teams focus on completing one task before moving on to another. WIP limits encourage this approach by creating a clear boundary on how much can be worked on at once, ensuring that teams do not start new work without completing what is already in progress. This focused approach helps avoid half-finished tasks and improves team alignment, ultimately leading to higher productivity and a more consistent flow of deliverables. WIP limits also encourage a sense of accountability, as team members must prioritize what is most important and direct their efforts toward completing the highest value items. The role of WIP limits in managing flow. Managing WIP is directly tied to managing flow, or the rate at which work items progress from start to finish. In SAFe, flow-based principles are crucial to minimizing delays, reducing waste, and delivering value continuously. One key tool for visualizing and managing WIP is the Kanban board, where each stage of work, such as to do, in progress, testing, and done, is represented in columns, allowing teams to track items as they move through each stage. By setting WIP limits on specific columns, SAFe teams can quickly identify when a stage is overloaded, helping them take corrective action to improve flow. For example, if the in-progress column reaches its WIP limit, the team knows it should avoid pulling in new work until current items move forward to the next stage. This visibility prevents bottlenecks, which are points where work accumulates and slows down the overall process. If bottlenecks occur frequently, they can signal deeper issues within the workflow, such as inadequate resources, dependencies, or inefficiencies in a particular phase. In SAFe, teams are encouraged to identify and address bottlenecks promptly. Techniques such as root cause analysis and value stream mapping help teams understand why delays occur and enable them to make informed adjustments to improve flow. By actively managing WIP and flow, SAFe teams can increase the predictability of their work, making it easier to forecast delivery timelines and align with business goals. Additionally, WIP limits and flow metrics like cycle time and throughput provide valuable insights for retrospectives, which are meetings where teams reflect on their processes and look for improvement opportunities. By reviewing flow metrics, SAFe teams can better understand how well they are adhering to WIP limits and pinpoint areas where adjustments are needed. For example, if cycle times are increasing, it could indicate that WIP limits need to be lowered to help the team focus on completing tasks faster. This iterative approach ensures that SAFe teams continuously improve their process, optimizing flow and delivering value efficiently. The benefits of managing work in process, or WIP, in SAFe extend beyond productivity. By keeping WIP within defined limits, teams experience reduced stress and improved morale, as they avoid the overload that comes with handling too many tasks simultaneously. A controlled workload allows team members to focus on their tasks, improving both their satisfaction and the quality of their output. With fewer active tasks, teams have more bandwidth to address unforeseen issues or changing priorities, making them more adaptable and resilient in the face of challenges. From a customer-centric perspective, YP management helps safe teams respond to changes in customer needs more effectively. By maintaining YP limits, teams avoid getting bogged down by incomplete tasks, allowing them to reprioritize and focus on the most valuable work when necessary. This flexibility is especially valuable in agile environments where customer feedback is continuous and priorities can shift based on market needs. With YP limits in place, teams can pause, adjust and refocus without derailing progress or sacrificing quality, enhancing customer satisfaction by delivering relevant, high-quality products more rapidly. YP limits also enhance SAFE's goal of building sustainable work practices. When teams have clear YP boundaries, they are less likely to overcommit, which reduces burnout and turnover. This sustainable approach is critical in complex SAFE implementations where multiple teams and agile release trains, or ARTs, are involved in delivering large-scale solutions. By managing YP effectively, SAFE organizations create a culture of steady progress where teams can maintain a predictable delivery cadence and stakeholders gain confidence in their ability to meet deadlines without compromising on quality. This consistency is vital for SAFE's program-level objectives, where predictability and reliability are essential for successful product delivery. In SAFE, work in process or WIP, management is a cornerstone practice that helps teams balance productivity, quality and sustainability. By setting and respecting WIP limits, SAFE teams can optimize workflow, focus on completing tasks, and avoid the inefficiencies associated with multitasking and task switching. YP limits, when coupled with visual management tools and flow metrics, provide a structured approach to managing complex work, improving predictability, and ensuring that value is delivered steadily. Actively managing WIP enhances not only the performance of individual teams, but also the overall efficiency and output of agile release trains, or RTs, making SAFE organizations more responsive and agile. In a dynamic market, this ability to manage WIP effectively enables SAFE teams to adapt, maintain high-quality standards, and deliver timely value that meets customer needs. Managing YP is therefore an essential element of SAFE, fostering an agile culture focused on continuous improvement, collaboration and sustainable success.